Well, hello everyone, Eric Wooldridge here, and the exciting news can now go public. The deal is official. In partnership between Somerset Community College and the Cumberland's Workforce Board, there is an opportunity for concrete 3D printing like no other. And what the deal is that you can actually have concrete 3D printing training completely tuition free. Associated with an opportunity that the Workforce Board has put together, we will be offering a very robust training program. You'll actually have a solid week with us at the lab, producing concrete products, running the machines, doing the design work, making structures, making products, learning the ins and outs of all the technology, the nuts and bolts, really getting your hands dirty. And there'll also be the sort of like a pre-online training that will get you prepared for that process. Now, the window of opportunity for this is very small. We will only be able to offer the training a little bit around the 1st of May to about the mid or end of June. That's our window there. And there's essentially two conditions for those who qualify. Again, tuition's covered, everything you need is there. But condition number one is that you have to be between the ages of 16 and 24. Now, give or take a little bit of a birthday, you can kind of let us know of that situation, but that's the target age for this project. It is meant to be a skills development opportunity. Condition number two, you have to live within one of these 13, 14 county regions. But if you meet those two conditions, then you are qualified to take this training and really get into concrete 3D printing at the ground floor. You'll come away with like a full-on knowledge of how it works, how to design for it, and where the technology can be commercialized in many, many ways. Now, if you're an employer and maybe your company doesn't necessarily operate within those counties, that's okay. As long as one of your employees actually lives in the county and meets the age requirement, then they can come to the training even if that's not the base of your operations. So if you've been wanting to get into this space, send them to the training and then let them bring that technology back to you. If there's someone in high school that you've had your eye on maybe to hire, this is the time. Get them to that training and then they can come work for you. And for those of you that are in high school, this is a huge, huge opportunity to get into this space. Maybe you've been taking some of our 3D printing courses and you've been seeing some announcements. This is the perfect opportunity for you. Now, maybe you don't qualify. Maybe you don't live in the region, or maybe you don't meet the age requirement. That's okay. Send this email, send this notice, send this link, whatever you need to do to share this information out so the folks that really want to get in this space and qualify can get started in the technology, and they can always come back and teach you. So tremendous, tremendous opportunity. We can't be grateful enough to the Workforce Board for figuring this out and creating this opportunity to share the technology with everyone, almost a year to the date of when we actually printed Kentucky's first house. Now we'll be ready to get this technology into the hands of folks all across Kentucky. Again, it is first come, first serve, and we'll basically run as many courses as we can fund. But let us know. Now, we'll have a link to a survey in this post that will, you'll just fill it out, provide your information, and someone will reach out to you to actually get you signed up. And then it's off to the races. So super exciting. We'll be sharing more, providing new information as we get into it. Maybe a few more details on how the course will work, but we wanted to get this out as quickly as we could. So as always, thank you for watching, and also thank you for the years of support that we've experienced. This is amazing, very, very exciting for us, like the amazing opportunity, and we're so proud to be at this point, and also excited to get to work with so many folks across Kentucky. So let's see what we can do together. Share this out and stay tuned for more. We'll see you.